Hello everybody, I hope all to be well. Today we wanted to explain past continuous. Today we wanted to explain the past continuous. Past continuous, which means الماضي المستمر. The past continuous describes actions or events in a time before now, which began in the past and we're still going on when another event occurred. Okay. إذن the past continuous, which means الماضي المستمر, we formed it past continuous. We start with subject plus was or were plus verb with ing Write it again, subject plus was or were. Was for singular, were for plural, plus verb with ing. Okay. When the subject is plural, we use was. For example, I, she, he, or any singular noun, we use was plus verb with ing. But when the subject is plural, we use were. The subject is plural, such as we, they, or any plural noun plus were plus verb with ing. This is the main form for past continuous. Look at example. Example number one. We were traveling to the farm. We hear a subject, the plural subject, where, because that we use where. This is, or we plural, because that we use were, traveling, verb with ing. We were traveling to the farm. Okay, number two. The sheep were eating when the wolf chased them. The sheep here is plural because it means al-aghnam. The sheep, which means al-aghnam. The sheep here is a plural noun. We use were, eating, verb with ing. Were plus verb with ing, when the wolf chased them. When هون من keywords for past continuous. Keywords for past continuous. When we saw. When we put the verb in past continuous tense. Okay, number three. I was driving the car when the wheel burst. I, plural or singular, I here singular. I talk about me. I here singular. Was, because that we use was for singular. Was driving, the verb with ing. The verb with ing. The car when keywords for past continuous. The wheel burst. Okay. Number 4, the last example. Amy was playing in a boat when the boat turned over. When the boat turned over. Amy here is a singular noun. Singular noun. Amy was we use was because we talk about Amy. Amy is singular, one person. Was plus verb with ing in a boat when the boat turned over. And the keywords for past continuous is when and while. When, which means عندما, while, which means بينما. But in our lesson and in our book, we talk about only when, only when. That's it. I hope you understand. See you soon, inshallah. Goodbye.